Guess where we are? We are actually found a spot that I don't know, like if it's hidden or what is going on, but I have been to Florida like a million times, and we have gone to this flea market, the visitors flea market located on West Erlo, like a million times, and did not know that they have this humongous food truck world in the back of the flea market. Like, y'all, there are literally about 50 or 60 food trucks ranging from every kind of Mexican, every kind of African fusion, Jamaican, Peruvian, I don't even know, Dominican. Yo, how did we miss this? Like, I don't know what the world was going on and how we missed it. But when I say, child, we done found it. We done found it. We have found it. Oh, y'all, ridiculousness. I don't understand. But, I mean, I'm going to put some stuff up here, like some menus. Greg would wait on me, but he's not. They got pizza, they got Italian. I told Greg we are literally certified fat kids, like for real. Like this is ridiculous. That we had said we was gonna cook tonight in. He was gonna cook me this fantastic filet mignon and the shrimp, but now I'm like, what? They even got authentic Arabic for food. Yeah, I do too, Greg. And then look at this. Look at this right here. This looks delicious. Look at this. What is this? What kind of food is this? I don't know. But, oh my God. Like crazy. So I don't know what kind of food this is. Not really sure. This looks amazing. Dominican and Caribbean cuisine. Great. This is Dominican and Caribbean. Dominican and Caribbean. And then their menus, I mean, the food is not like, of course, not outrageous. It's like very reasonable. So, y'all, we about to get in. And we about to let y'all know once we figure out where we eating at and what we gonna get. We about to let y'all know what's really happening, what's really going on. I mean, there's a lot of people out here as well. So, we'll see what's up. We'll be back. I was trying to turn it around. Let's see how to turn it around. Anyway, y'all, we just ordered the Mexican corn with the cheese and the mayonnaise and what's the other stuff? What she said. They had another kind that had like mayonnaise and ketchup. We didn't get that. Anyway, look how it looks. It looks quite delicious. Which one you want?
Both of them.
Which one you want?
It don't matter.
Which one?
You might be reaching for that one for some reason.
Okay, so let's see what we taste. We're ready to taste it. What do you think? You still got my lips.
Good. I think I'm gonna eat it anyway.
It's different. It's definitely mayonnaise. So I don't know. I wouldn't order enough because there's no point. It's like really extra calories for no reason. No, I ain't saying it's not good, but it's just different. And it's like a lot of calories. Mayonnaise. It's not super hot either. I figured it would be. What you think? Out of 10. What you give it? Yours got more seasoning on it than mine do. What you think out of 10?
I feel
He said a 7. I don't know. Right now I'm thinking 5. But I'm gonna try it again. We'll be back. Okay, so we're back, and I have the fusion stewed chicken with yellow rice. As you can see, this yellow rice, it is like super packed with peas, corn, pimento. It's super spicy and it's super juicy. We would show you Greg's, but his is gone. He had the steak. Yeah, he had the steak with the spicy rice. I think it's called spicy jollof rice. Now he did try to give me the goosey chicken, which is a soup with pounded yam. It really wasn't my taste. Dre tried it. He would have ate it, but I just didn't. I don't know. But this right here, we're about to see the first bite. It's a different taste. The rice is 100% delicious also. That kind of reminds you of like a buffalo chicken type style. Or something. It's not hot. It's not spicy like that. It just has that kind of taste. But it's good. I like it. I would give it African Fusion out of 10. I might do a 7.5. I like it. I like the rice. The rice I would definitely give a 9 or 8.5, 9. The chicken is a different taste, but I like it. Okay, we'll be back. Hey you guys, so we're back and oh my god, okay, so the original rate, I'm going to subtract it because I'm literally, as you can see, I'm eating more. And when I tell y'all that this rice and mixed in with the sauce from this stewed chicken, bomb. I don't even eat dark meat at all. I don't like dark meat, but this all is dark meat. And it's really delicious, like for real. The combination, like for one, I don't know how he got the chicken to be crispy on the outside, but then it's still like juicy on the inside, and it's covered in this sauce. And then like if you can see the inside, like the ingredients, on the inside of that, like if you can see all the ingredients in that sauce, y'all, that's like super. It's not super spicy. It's really good. It's just rich and it's delicious. So I did a 7.5. No, I'm going with an 8.5 for sure. AfricanFusion.com. AfricanFusionTruck.com. 8.5. Most definitely. I'll order it again.